Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the VIP flow and how we have set up the VIP flow in Omnisend for a brand. And so the segment would be that subscription status subscribe to email, and I have placed order 3 times in total. So you can also create like a VVIP flow where the trigger would be that have placed order at least like 7 times or 10 times. It depends. And if I go to the automation, it looks like this. The trigger is entered segment, and the filter is that the segment is that I just showed you VIP. And here there are no other settings. Here the frequency is that skip contacts have already been in this automation at any time. So one person, one customer can only be uh, can only get in this automation only once. And now if you look at the emails, so the first email is basically we're giving a 10% off. Yeah. So this is how the email looks. So we're giving 10% off. If we preview it, we'll be able to better look at the email because there's some desktop and mobile sections here as well. So this is 10% off, and code is VIP10, and there is a body text where again mentioning the code and some reviews. And here we are showing a bestsellers dynamic block. This is the first email, and the second email after the delay is 2 days. The second email looks like this: your VIP discount expires soon, 10% off. This is this special offer won't wait, and they should you. And there's body text, and we are mentioning some of the benefits. And then again, there's this dynamic block. So yeah, this is how the emails look. And let me know if you how are you creating the VIP flow. And yeah, thanks.